Let's talk about before and after in CSS. So before and after are basically pseudo elements. Now what are pseudo elements? Listen to the definition very carefully. So pseudo elements are basically used to add or target an extra element in the selected HTML element without writing any extra HTML. We will learn about more pseudo elements in the upcoming videos for a better understanding, but for now just stick to the definition. So you can use before and after pseudo elements to add an extra element in the selected HTML element. So now let's understand this with an example. So here I have a paragraph element. Now what I want to do is I want to add some stylish quotations around it. So what I will do is I will target the P element and I will write before over here. And to insert the content, you have to use the content property. It is a mandatory property and you can insert any type of content. It can be string, image, icons, attribute values, etc. For now, I'm adding an opening quotation string over here. And I have given some basic styling over here. And now I have included the same properties in the after pseudo element also. I have just changed the content property to closing quotation string. Now let's see the output. So here you can see we got the quotations around our paragraph element, and if you will see the DOM, you will understand why we call it before and after. The before pseudo element gets inserted before the actual content and the after pseudo element get inserted after the actual content. So now you know how to add extra element without writing any extra HTML.